Do you normally have errors while you use your Brave browser? Is it hanging or misbehaving? Then you need to reset your Brave browser to the default settings. Doing this will bring back your Brave browser to the best of its kind. Meanwhile, all the settings you've put in place on your Brave browser will be taken away instantly. But your security, your password, and other history are still available on your device. Doing so is very simple. In that process, this is called factory reset your Brave browser. In 30 seconds, you are good to go. Click on these three lines at the top of the screen. Scroll down to the base of this place. Click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have yourself at this panel. Then scroll down to the base of this place. Click on reset. Once you click on reset, you have only one option here. Restore settings to their original defaults. That is defaults of the developers. Then click on it. Once you click on it, this simple information pop up. Now, here is what you need to do. This action will 1. Reset some brief settings and brief shortcuts. Disable extension. Delete cookies and other temporary site data. Meanwhile, bookmark, history, and save password won't be affected. So if you are pleased with what you see here, which I'm very sure you are pleased because you are resetting because Brave browser is misbehaving, click on reset. Just wait a few seconds for this to fully reset. That's all, guys. You've been able to reset your Brave browser to default. So enjoy your Brave browser. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for important video like this.